Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We have another review. We're going to be reviewing and unboxing the Yeezy GAP Perfect Hoodie. Let's get right into it per usual. So this just re-released, let me see for sure, the 11th. I ordered this on the 11th. My order shipped Friday and I got it Wednesday. So I got it all within about a week, right? Am I right or am I wrong? This was shipped and delivered in about a week, which is good because I think they said it was going to take 4 to 8 weeks to be delivered. So I was surprised that I got it so quickly, pleasantly surprised. Okay, stop talking. Let's do this. I got the color blue, size extra small. And $80. Here's the box and here's this. Comes rolled up in a paper bag. So this is a cropped hoodie, which I love because I loved cropped hoodies. I like them to fit like kind of big here, but at this part, the bottom, at the waist, I want it to be a little fitted and tight because just the way my body is, it makes me look like an orange. I got this in an extra small. Wow, look at the blue. The blue is so pretty. Same color as the brown jacket. It's super thick. I don't think I ever had a hoodie this thick. Let's check it out. Extra small. Just the Yeezy. Super cropped. How I love it. I love a crop. The fabric on the wrist is also going to be a little longer than normal, as you can see. Wow. Really thick. Really substantial. The inside and the outside is the same fabric. So it's not fleece. On the inside, it's double lined, thick. The stitching's really good. It feels really good. I don't think I've never had a hoodie that feels this substantial, and it's 80 bucks, so it should. Let's try it on. So for reference, I am 5'2". This is how it fits. The arms are just longer, so it gives you that bunching rate at the bottom. If you're my size and you wanted it to be a little bit longer, go with the small. Also, if I purchased a small, this pocket would fall a little bit lower, but keep in mind, I am a girl. If you're a boy watching this, it's gonna fall on you a little bit better and fit a little differently. But this is an extra small. I love the way it fits. I know some people don't like cropped hoodies. If you don't like cropped hoodie or a longer sleeve or whatever, a big pocket, you're just not gonna like it. It's not gonna be perfect for you. But I mean, it's really doing it for me, and the color is just gorgeous. I mean, granted, I wish that I could get this for cheaper than what it was, but I didn't, so here we are. That's it. Thank you for watching. So let me know down below if you like the hoodie, don't like the hoodie, you're gonna purchase the hoodie. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.